Hello YouTube! This is just another guy talking about stuff. And yes, I did get my hair cut. Thanks for noticing. We're back in the kitchen because I wanted to show you a simple way to make one of my favorite snacks, banana bread. Now I know any type of baking can be really intimidating, but you're going to see this recipe is so easy that it's barely an inconvenience. Let's start off with what you're going to need. You're going to need a good sized mixing bowl, a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, depending on the size, 2 to 3 ripe bananas, 1/3 of a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a little bit of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of flour. The first thing you have to do is set your oven to 350 degrees. Next, peel your bananas and place them in your mixing bowl. If you have a potato masher, that works best, but a fork will do just fine. Mash up your bananas until they're nice and gooey. Then melt your butter for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Once the butter is melted, you can mix it into your bananas. After your butter is mixed up into your bananas, mix in your baking soda and a pinch of salt. Crack your egg into a bowl and give it a little beating with a fork. Along with your egg, you're going to mix in the vanilla extract and your sugar. When you have that all mixed together, you can add your flour. Mix it up nice, and there you have your banana bread. Now it just needs to be baked. First, you're going to need to grease your baking dish. Take a stick of butter and coat the entire thing. Now you're ready to add the batter to the dish. Place the dish in the oven and let it bake for about 1 hour. Oh, you don't have to wait here with me. So after about an hour or so, check the banana bread with a toothpick to make sure it's not moist in the middle. Let it cool for a bit and you're ready to eat. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell thingy, comment your comments in the comments, and until next time, witty sign-off catchphrase.